pinalaga ng award-winning actress na si Nadine Lustre ang kumakalat na pekeng art card na tungkol sa mirror method. Sa naging Facebook post ng Chismis Vlogs, isang unverified entertainment page, ibinahagi nito ang umano'y pahayag ng aktres kung saan pinapractice nito ang pagbibigay ng parehong energy ng kung anuman ang ibinibigay sa kanya. I started using the mirror method. Di ka nila binati nung birthday mo? Don't greet them also. Di ka nila inaya sa gala? Huwag mo din silang yayain. Di ka nila chinecheck? Stop checking on them too. Just give them the same energy they're giving to you. Trust me, life feels light when you do this. Nakasaad sa art card, kalakip ang larawan ni Nadine. Umabot nga ito sa kaalaman ng dalaga at agad dininay ang naturang pahayag. Parang di ko naman sinabi yan, diretsahang sabi ni Nadine. Sa hiwalay na Facebook post ay ibinahagi niyang hindi siya naniniwala sa mirror method. Lahad ni Nadine, I honestly don't believe in mirroring coldness just because someone chose to forget, ignore, or not show up. Para sa akin, hindi mo kailangan suklian ang kakulangan ng iba. Mas mahalaga pa rin na piliin mong maging mabuti kahit walang kapalit. Because kindness isn't for them, it's for your soul. Ani Nadine, kahit pa sumabit na saktan, hangarin pa rin ang ikabubuti ng kapwa. If sinaktan ka, and it's gotten to the point where you no longer speak, still, always wish them well. You can cut them off. You don't have to go back. You don't have to reconnect. But you can let go with love. You can walk away without carrying heaviness in your heart. It's not resentment that sets you free. It's the quiet, steady peace of knowing you've already forgiven them, even if they never asked. You let go, not because they deserve it, but because you deserve peace, say ni Nadine. Pagpapatuloy niya, matutong piliing maging mabuting tao. Take care of your soul, not your ego. Remember, hindi yung kapwa mo yung nagki-keep tabs. It's the universe. So keep choosing light. Keep choosing love. That's where true healing lives. Trust me, life is so much better when you do this. Paalala pa ni Nadine.